As you can see right here on the mixer that not all of them are equal. Some of them are increased and some of them are decreased. This is what we call mixing. Some of you who been asking me, please mix and please teach us how to mix. And then, so right here on the shaker where there's solo, you can see down here on velocity that the shaker is not equal. I equalized it so that it can sound like a shaker loop, but it's not gonna sound good because it's the first one. As I add more sounds, you will understand. That was the first one. Now, I got 3 layers of shakers, and this one, as you can see, is not equalized. It's just the same velocity. Now let's play another one. As you can see on this other one, it's equalized to on the velocity. Now it's making sense. Now how about we play another one, but a different sound. Put another sound that sounds like a congo. And then we add a head from FLM. Congo. Another different one. Now it makes sense. So now let's add another. Editing this video took me a long time, so I'd appreciate it if you like and comment and subscribe. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and like and comment and tell me what you think on the comments, what you think about this, my nigga. Down.